Cutting up gang, cutting up gang. We on chapter 15.
If I need to cut it, nah. I'm about to get you together.
Cutting up gang, we on chapter 15 today. I'll show y'all 15. And show y'all chapter 15 today, guys. Men's hair replacement. Yeah. Oh man, we on men's hair replacement today, guys, and it's on. Yeah. If y'all didn't catch the previous chapter, make sure y'all check the link description below. And cutting up gang. Also, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Really motivates me to do these videos. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, liking, and subscribing. And then all of this information is for the information if you want to be a barber. All of this stuff is for barber students, becoming master barbers, going to obtain a license. And if you want your barber license, this type of information that you want to know. That's just type of stuff that's going to be on the written exam. Now, the written exam is the multiple choice test. That's not the only thing you got to do in order to get your license, but it's one of the things you got to do. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and without further ado, guys, cutting up gang, let's get to it. Let me show y'all what's on this chapter 15 test, yeah. Off of the men's hair replacement, yeah. See what we on. I keep it on the charger. Gotta hook up to the charger, you know? Hot. But see what we on today.
Brush and comb hair solutions with eye-opening parentheses and closing parentheses movement. Sideways. Upward. Brisk. Downward.
Brush and comb hair solutions with a blank movement. Guys, we're gonna pick downward. Brush and comb hair solutions with a downward movement. Yeah.
Which of the following is strictly a medical procedure that should be performed only by licensed medical professionals? Hair transplantation. Low-light laser therapy. Medicating with finasteride. Minoxidil application.
Which of the following is strictly a medical procedure that should be performed only by a licensed medical professional? Guys, we're gonna go with hair transplantation. Yes, sir. Yeah.
A supply that is not considered a standard item, but is needed for hair solution services, is blow dryers, special adhesives, clippers, thinning shears.
What supply that is not considered a standard item, but is needed for hair solution services is, guys, we're gonna go with special adhesives. Yeah.
Which of the following is a disadvantage associated with a human hair solution? It possesses a high gloss. It tends to mat and tangle easily. It is difficult to blend the piece with the client's natural hair. It reacts to climate changes.
Which of the following is a disadvantage associated with human hair solutions? Guys, we're gonna go with it reacts to climate changes. Which of the following is a disadvantage associated with human hair solutions? It reacts to climate changes. Yeah.
Clean hair solutions every 3 to 4 days, 3 to 4 weeks. day, week.
Clean hair solutions every 3 to 4 weeks, guys. We're gonna go with every 3 to 4 weeks. Yeah.
In today's world, it is extremely important to master which of the following? Modeling, newspaper advertising, social media marketing, hard selling techniques.
In today's world, it is extremely important to master which of the following? Social media marketing, guys. Yeah, so we're gonna go with social media marketing. Yeah.
A potential side effect of finasteride is weight gain, hair loss, weight loss, high blood pressure.
A potential side effect of finasteride is, guys, we're gonna go with weight gain. Yeah.
Synthetic hair solutions should always be cleaned with an antiseptic, bonding agents, a solvent, hot water.
Synthetic hair solutions should always be cleaned with, we're gonna go with a solvent. Yes, sir. Cutting up, gang. We're gonna go with solvent. Yeah.
When discussing hair replacement with your client, be sure to take a very personal and approach. Slow, technical, hard sell, private.
When discussing hair replacements with your client, be sure to take a very personal and private approach. We're gonna go with private, guys. Yes, sir. We're gonna pick private. Cutting up, gang.
During the 18th century, the term was used to describe the front section of hair. Toupee, hair solution, hairpiece, top knot.
During the 18th century, the term blank was used to describe the front section of the hair, guys. We're gonna go with toupee. Cutting up, gang. Yeah, we're gonna go with toupee. During the 18th century, the term toupee was used to describe the front section of the hair.
Facial hair solutions are attached with spirit gum, double-sided adhesive tape, alcohol, lightweight elastic.
Facial hair solutions are attached with blank. Guys, cutting up, gang. We're gonna go with spirit gum. Facial hair solutions are attached with spirit gum.
What type of hair solution is recommended when the hair is worn in an off-the-face style? Partial hair, facial hair, full head bonding, lace front.
Guys, we're gonna go with lace front. Yeah.
What should be done prior to fitting any hair solution? Scalp reduction, reconditioning treatments, contour analysis, tapering and blending of the hair.
What should be done prior to fitting any hair solution? Contour analyst, guys. That's what we're gonna go with. Contour analyst, yeah.
After cutting and blending a full head bonded replacement system, the client should allow how long before shampooing? 1 week, 2 weeks, 72 hours, 24 to 48 hours.
After cutting and blending a full head bonded replacement system, the client should allow how long before shampooing? 24 to 48 hours cutting up, gang. Yeah.
Low-light laser therapy stimulates in the hair follicles. Cell regeneration, reconditioning, restoration, transplantation.
Low light laser therapy stimulates cell regeneration in the hair follicles. Cutting up, gang. Got 100%. Yes, sir. Cutting up, gang. Review this test. Let's review it. And then, cutting up, gang. Yeah. Man. Excuse me. Alright, cutting up, gang. That was the end of chapter 15. Y'all didn't catch the previous chapter. Like I said, they all in the link description below. Chapter 1 all the way up to 15. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. A couple more chapters to this book for all my inspiring barbers out there. Yeah. We out. Cutting up, gang. Yeah.